With the help of our hands, we are going to trace down a cactus plant. For this, you just need a marker. First, you have to just trace down your hand using a pencil. After that, you have to highlight it with the help of the black marker. Then we are filling it with our colors. We are using the oil pastel ones. You can use a pencil, sketch pen, or even water ones. After that, at the top, we are just spreading some of the modeling clay according to the shape of the cactus plant. This one is so good and easy. In the background, in the bottom actually, we are going to show some of the soil and we are adding some of the characters to it. This type of the painting is very easy. This beetle looks so nice. Let's try to trace down a beautiful unicorn. First we have just traced it down with the help of the pencil. Now we are making the outlines bold with the help of the black marker. You can do the same. You don't need to fill its whole body with the help of the color. You just need to just highlight some of the parts like we are highlighting here the ears, tail. This one is so good and easy. Thank you for watching our videos. First you need to trace down the trunk like we have done. After that with the help of our fingers we are just making some of the tree branches so beautifully. We are making use of the mustard and the orange color. In the background we are adding some of the grass. Next activity is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 5 to 6. All you need is some of the clay and then you just have to make some of the slanting lines like the shape of the A. After that we are just making these cherries. See how easy this one is. It's best suitable for the small kids.